We will discuss the characteristics, properties, and remedies based on this plant. The acerola plant, Malpighia emarginata, is an evergreen tree native to tropical America, known for its small red fruits with a tangy taste and rich in vitamin C. Distinctive characteristics of acerola, interesting facts about it, and how this plant can be used to create herbal teas and natural remedies. Characteristics of acerola. Acerola is a shrub or small tree that can reach a height of 2 to 3 meters. It has dark green, shiny, oval leaves that appear in pairs along the branches. The flowers of acerola are small and light pink, clustered together. The fruits, known as Barbados cherries, are red, juicy, and approximately the size of a cherry. Properties. Rich in vitamin C, acerola is considered one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C in the world. Its fruits contain a significant amount of this vitamin, which is essential for the immune system and overall health. Antioxidants. In addition to vitamin C, acerola is also rich in antioxidants such as polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress in the body and prevent cellular damage. Benefits for the skin. Acerola extracts are widely used in the cosmetics industry for their antioxidant and illuminating properties on the skin. They are often found in creams, serums, and face masks. Culinary use. Acerola fruits are used to prepare juices, jellies, jams, and even liqueurs, thanks to their tangy and aromatic flavor. Acerola supplements. Acerola is also available in the form of dietary supplements, which offer a high concentration of vitamin C. Health benefits. The high content of vitamin C in acerola can support the immune system, promote collagen production for skin and joint health, and contribute to cardiovascular health. Additionally, acerola also contains vitamin A, vitamin B group, and minerals such as iron, calcium, and potassium. Anti-inflammatory properties. Thanks to the presence of antioxidants and flavonoids, acerola has demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms associated with conditions such as arthritis. Support for weight loss. Acerola is a low-calorie food rich in fiber, which can promote satiety and appetite control. Furthermore, its antioxidant compounds can contribute to a more efficient metabolism. Possible side effects. Although acerola is generally considered safe, some individuals may be sensitive to it or its components. Some reported side effects include gastrointestinal disorders, allergies, or interactions with medications. It is always advisable to consult a healthcare professional before using acerola as a natural remedy. Creation of herbal teas and remedies with acerola. To prepare an acerola herbal tea, you can use fresh or dried fruits. Simply boil water, add the cut fruits, and let it steep for a few minutes. The herbal tea can be consumed hot or cold and is an excellent source of vitamin C. Acerola syrup. To obtain acerola syrup, the fruits can be cooked with water and sugar until a syrupy consistency is formed. This syrup can be used to sweeten beverages or added to foods such as yogurt or cereals to increase the intake of vitamin C. Acerola is a fascinating plant, with its vitamin C-rich fruits and numerous health benefits. Its versatility in culinary use and in the preparation of herbal teas and remedies makes it an interesting option for those seeking natural solutions to improve overall well-being. However, it is important to be aware of possible side effects and always consult a healthcare professional before introducing new remedies into the daily routine.